A Russian convoy of armored vehicles initiated an offensive, leading with 2 tanks, followed by 3 armored fighting vehicles, and concluding with a T-90M tank. Despite the formidable firepower at their disposal, this formation posed a potential vulnerability when exposed within striking range of various Ukrainian weapon systems. Seizing the moment, Ukraine executed a well-prepared swarm drone attack, deploying consecutive strikes from FPV drones onto the vehicles. The precise outcome of this drone onslaught remains uncertain, but it is clear that a minimum of 8 FPV drone strikes occurred, likely causing significant damage and potentially resulting in the loss of retreating Russian vehicles. As a consequence, this incident has resulted in a substantial reduction of Russian equipment, leaving them with diminished resources for subsequent engagements.